Is your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra stuck on the fingerprint sensor calibration needed error? This usually happens after a hardware repair or a software malfunction, but you can usually fix it yourself. Here are the top DIY solutions to get your sensor working again. Start with the simplest fix. Restart your device. Many calibration errors are just minor software glitches that a quick reboot will resolve. If the restart didn't work, test the hardware using the secret diagnostic menu. Open your phone dialer and enter *#0*#. Tap Sensor. If the sensor part is stable, you can go for a normal test or normal scan. If it's not stable and the screen is volatile like this, just press and hold the power and volume down button till the shutdown menu appears and restart your device. Exiting security settings can sometimes cause a conflict. Go to Settings, then scroll down to Security and Privacy and select Lock Screen. Enter your PIN or password and change the lock type to None. Once the security is cleared, set the screen lock once again. After that, force quit this window along with all the other background windows. Go back to the fingerprint option and try registering your fingerprint from scratch. Just see if the problem is fixed now. If you're still stuck, a customized setting might be causing the interference. Go to Settings. From there, scroll down to General Management. Scroll down and select Reset and then Reset All Settings. This will reset system preferences and Wi-Fi passwords, but will not delete your photos or apps. After your phone restores, check the sensors once again. If these steps don't solve the problem, you may need to visit a hardware specialist or contact Samsung support. Hope this video will help you.